Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between internal trade and external trade. Trade is an essential part of economic activity, but it can take place either within a country's boundaries or across international borders. Understanding the differences between internal trade and external trade helps us understand how businesses operate in domestic and global markets. Let us explore the major differences between these two important concepts. Number 1. Internal trade refers to the exchange of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of a country, whereas external trade refers to the exchange of goods and services between different countries. Number 2. Internal trade operates within the domestic territory of a nation, whereas external trade operates across international boundaries. Number 3. In internal trade, buyers and sellers belong to the same country, whereas in external trade, buyers and sellers belong to different countries. Number 4. Internal trade uses the domestic currency for transactions, whereas external trade often involves foreign currencies. Number 5. Internal trade is governed by domestic laws and regulations, whereas external trade is governed by international trade agreements, customs laws, and regulations. Number 6. Internal trade experiences relatively less government control, whereas external trade is subject to higher government control and restrictions. Number 7. Internal trade generally involves local taxes such as GST or VAT, whereas external trade involves customs duties, import duties, export duties, and tariffs. Number 8. Internal trade is usually smaller in scale, whereas external trade is generally larger and has a global impact. Number 9. Internal trade involves shorter transportation distances and lower transportation costs, whereas external trade involves longer distances and higher transportation costs. Number 10. Internal trade usually takes place using a common language, whereas external trade may face language barriers due to different languages. Number 11. Internal trade carries lower risk because the business environment is familiar, whereas external trade carries higher risk due to political, economic, and currency fluctuations. Number 12. Internal trade requires minimal documentation, whereas external trade requires extensive documentation and legal formalities. Number 13. Internal trade transactions are completed in a shorter period, whereas external trade transactions generally take more time because of customs and regulatory procedures. Number 14. Internal trade does not directly affect a country's balance of trade, whereas external trade directly influences the balance of trade and foreign exchange earnings. Number 15. Prices in internal trade are generally more stable, whereas prices in external trade fluctuate due to exchange rates and global market conditions. Number 16. The primary objective of internal trade is to satisfy domestic demand and earn profit, whereas the primary objective of external trade is to earn foreign exchange and strengthen international business relations. Conclusion. To summarize, internal trade takes place within a country and is simpler, less risky, and easier to manage, whereas external trade takes place between countries and involves greater opportunities along with higher risks, regulations, and complexities. Both forms of trade are essential for economic growth and business development. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.